Welcome back. So of course, this is Apple English School again, our science class on Saturday morning. So we have to open up and see. After we turn off the camera, we actually try to drop 2-3 more times. That's why actually his parachute separated, so he had a problem. We're gonna open up each and see how the eggs survive. So let's see if we open up this one. Whoa! Inside, she has support here with her chopsticks. Okay, let's see. So if I open up, I need to open more. Wow, it's a lot of tape. Let's see, this is interesting how her landing gear was. Let's see if I can open it up. Wow, it's a lot of tape. Let's see if I can open here. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! Safe. Safe. And she taped it to the bottom. That's really safe. No, safe. No. I think that's no. That's just dirty. Yeah. It's safe. Wow. Good job. She wrapped it good. Okay. Let's check. So now, can you please open yours? He was okay until we did 2-3 times. He has water inside, so that really helped him. Let's see if it survived. There you go. Oh wow, the ropes are inside here too. Scissors, Socho, scissors. Scissors. No, Socho, here, scissors. Find scissors, please. Here. Socho, here, scissors. Green scissors. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Whoa, one of his balloons popped actually on the future one, but yeah, he still survived like that. Okay, here. Wow, this is really taped good with duct tape. Wow, really good. Okay, we got that part off. Let's see if we can get the next level. And here, I can cut. Oh no, here we go. Can I cut through this tape? Let me see if I can cut through the tape. What's inside? Is it a pet bottle? Can you pet bottle? This is hard. The scissors are not designed for this. Here we go. Let me see. Oh, here. Wow. Wow, it's another layer. It's a lot of layers. Wow. While we're doing this, open up yours. Open up and show the camera. Open up. My high say Socho. Open up the egg. Here. Okay. Here we go. So can you show the camera? Wow. So, yes. Okay, so it's a mess, so you can throw away. Socho, throw away, please. Throw away here. Okay. Wow, because it's rope, it's really strong. I can't cut through. Oh! Wow. They're getting better, closer. I see. It's a bottom. Yeah. Throw away, please. Wow, you can see inside now. There's a bottle here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's water coming out, so it should be something bad. I don't know if the egg is bad. Let's see. It's hard to get. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not strong enough. The scissors. I need another scissors. Wait a minute. Here. Yeah. Thank you. Here. Let's see. Let's cut this rope. Yeah, there's so much rope in here with the stuff. It's hard to get. How can I get it off? Oh, he did a good job. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah.
あ、水。
Yeah, there's water coming out.
やばい、水が漏れる気がするよ。大丈夫？
変な魚の匂いがする。
もう漏れてるよ。ケント。
I know.
水漏れたよ。
Already when he dropped it, it brought water. Oh, it's really tough. I'm gonna have to get new scissors. Wait a minute.
硬すぎる。そんなに硬くしたの？
どう答えるの？
ダイヤモンドよりも硬い。
テープだけ？
本当にテープだけだ。
最終兵器の時
Hope one of these will do.
うわ、
I got a
最終
cutter, and I got a wire cutter. Wire cutter's pretty strong. Let's see.
決済段ボール。
Here. This is for wires. Let's see if it works. Nope. Wow. This is really tough. Ah.
段ボール。
Yeah, a lot water.
超
coming out.
水出てるやん。
Yeah.
水漏れする。
Oh, egg. You can see there's white part. There should be a broken egg inside. Yeah. Let's see. But that's exactly because we dropped 2-3 times. If we had dropped only once, he would have survived.
これだったら捨ててくん
There we go, finally. Ah. Here we go. Oh.
あ、割れた。
Yep. But yeah, he made it, I think, the first 2-3 times. If I can open it up to show the camera.
割れてんね。
Oh yeah, here you can see. Yes, it broke inside. That was exactly I heard the third time. We tried it like 3-4 times. But good job. Okay. Do you want to throw away? Can you finish? Okay. Let's see here.
割れなかったのサラだけ？
Yeah, but Sarah, we did only one time. We did maybe 3 times each. Right here. Blow it up. Okay, here. Okay, here you go. Your balloons.
いや、いらん。
Hey, why? You want to pop them, Em? You'll pop. Oh!
やだ、もう聞きたくない、もう聞きたくない。
Okay, clean up. Clean up. Citra, help him clean up. Okay, thank you. See you. See you.
See you.
See you.